There's a new kid on the block, say hello, my name's Paralysis. Be warned, my lyrics so clever that people can't fathom it. I walk into a club, I speed it up like a catalyst. Used to have a waxed up and now I'm giving fashion tips. Used to produce baddies, but now it's club bangers. Living life on the edge in suspense like cliffhangers. I don't just rap for me though, I rap to inspire. No need to make an enemy, just join my empire. Because I try to be enlightening, I try to galvanize. So shy guys with talent like me aren't on the stage petrified. So I try to be ecstatic, keep the mood electrified. That's why you see me spread the love while your dick is sterilized. Living in poverty since I moved here from Colombia. My dream was to be seen on the big screen in front of millions. I used to believe it had to be a fantasy just like Narnia. But Daystorm 5, it's time for me to join ya.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what? I just turned it up, I should turn down for what? Come on, turn down for what?